Mechatronics Engineering Technology. The Mechatronics Engineering Technology program is a technical academy program for high-achieving students offered in conjunction with Reading Area Community College. The program is designed as a pre-engineering program and allows high school students the opportunity to earn college credits while still in high school. Mechatronics is a specialized area of engineering that combines mechanics, electronics, computer science, robotics, controls, and system design. Examples of mechatronic systems include robots, automated manufacturing processes, and automated guided vehicles. In this program, you will study blueprint reading, mechanics, pneumatics, hydraulics, electrical circuits, electronics, motor control, programmable logic controllers, control systems, robotics, and many more interesting topics. Students will take a sequence of core technical courses at BCTC and then may complete the program in their senior year on the RAC campus, earning additional college credits while still in high school. This program will lead you to such exciting careers as becoming an electromechanical engineering technician, an industrial engineering technician, or a maintenance technician. This program also provides an excellent foundation for students interested in pursuing a degree in engineering or another technical field.